Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Daraz app and making sure you are signed in. This links saved addresses to your account. Once done, check app updates because older versions hide location features. Next, grant location permission at the OS level. Go to Settings, find Daraz, and set Allow while using app. You need precise permission so the app can detect your current GPS coordinates. This removes manual address entry and speeds checkout. You now add the address using current GPS. Go to Profile, then My Addresses, and choose Add New Address. Don't type the whole address yet. Tap Use Current Location or the map pin icon and wait while Daraz fetches coordinates. This fills street, city, and postal code automatically. After autofill, type house number, landmark, or instructions so couriers find you. Finally, mark this as default if you want it preselected during checkout. This ensures accuracy and saves time later. Finish by saving the new address and testing it. Add any item to cart and begin checkout to confirm the saved address appears. If the location is off, toggle your device GPS off and on, move outdoors briefly, or press recenter on the map to recalibrate the pin. Make sure location accuracy is set to high. If autofill still fails, revoke and re-grant app permission, then try again. If problems persist, contact Daraz support with a screenshot for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.